trying to lose weight and you don't know what to eat, here's what I eat in a day to drop over 35 pounds. So I'm still on a calorie deficit, so I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a typical day. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is exciting. It's a what I eat in a day in a calorie deficit. I'm talking about 500 plus deficit from my actual TDEE. So if you already know, if you watch my previous video, you will know what I'm talking about, so go watch those videos. So yes, today's I'm showing you what I eat in a typical day. It does vary per day, but it's like kind of the same thing. Let's jump right into the video.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we not hiding, 'cause that's just the way we. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for a word. But it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else you. And I used to be on my replacing shit. I switched it out so damn quick. If you ain't getting with my shit, falling back, hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay.